Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install app on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are two ways you can use to install application on your Apple Watch. Is either you use the App Store on your Apple Watch if you have it on the Apple Watch. So that will make it easier for you to search for the application you want to install directly from your Apple Watch via the App Store and then download the supported application. The second approach is using your iPhone. So just go ahead, drop your Apple Watch, grab your iPhone, go ahead and open the App Store, and then on the App Store, you want to go ahead and search for the application you want to download on your Apple Watch. Make sure you install the application on your iPhone first. After that, go ahead and open the Watch app. Now, on the Watch app page, you need to scroll down until you get to all apps. Now, once you get to available apps, click on install. And all applications you have here are all the applications you have installed on your Apple Watch yourself. So these are my third-party application on my Apple Watch. Now, if you want to remove any of this application from your Apple Watch, all you simply need to do is go ahead, click on the app icon, and then click on delete app on Apple Watch. And that is going to uninstall the application on your Apple Watch. Then, once this is downloaded here and installed on your Apple Watch, you'll be able to access it on your Apple Watch. And then you are good. So that is all I do. Each time I want to install any application on my Apple Watch, including my workout application. So that is how I was able to get all of this application running on my Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.